Hey guys, welcome back. So after blending your ingredients for this food, you pour them in a plate, set them aside. In a separate pot, you pour in your cow skin. I cooked my cow skin first because it's stronger than other meats. You add your ingredients in them. Here I used thyme, onion, some ginger paste, seasoning cube, and salt. Add a little water to it. Cover the pot and allow it to cook. I didn't add the intestine now because the intestine is softer than the cow skin. So I allowed the cow skin to cook first for some time before I add the intestine. So while on this, place your palm kernel extracts in a separate burner to start cooking. While the extract is cooking, add your stockfish to the food. Stockfish has a strong nature, so you'd want it to cook till tender for easy consumption. So guys, let's check on our meat. I allowed the cow skin to cook for about 30 minutes. Wow. The cow skin looks tender now, so I will be adding the intestine to cook along with the cow skin and get them ready for the food. Note guys, always allow your extra to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, at least 20 minutes, so that the water contents of the extra to reduce. You have more of palm kernel extra than the water. Again, I'm scooping off some foamy part of the stew. As my mother always said, that it helps to reduce the level of cholesterol in the stew. So I'm scooping the foamy parts that rested on top of the extract while it's still cooking. So you see that with time the water content is reducing. This will help bring out that palm kernel taste, that tasty taste, palm kernel taste that you will want to have in your food to make it more tasty. So now we'll be adding back our meat that we've already cooked. We'll be adding it before adding all other ingredients in it, as the water content it has reduced and we have more of palm kernel extract than water. Banga stew is an easy recipe that anyone can try out. So we'll allow the meat to cook for some time before adding other ingredients to it. Why we do this is we want all the ingredients to always combine. So moving on, yes, you can even feel the stew from just looking at it. We add our meat broth back. I didn't sieve the meat stock because I wanted all the ingredients to be in the food, both the thyme, the onion that I used in cooking the meat. So afterwards, I added my blended mixtures into the pot. Crayfish, onion, native seasoning called okpeyi, red and yellow pepper. I add them together and allow it to cook for some minutes. Our banga stew is almost ready. At this point, even merely looking at it, you feel the stew. So let's allow it to cook for some minutes before adding the rest of our ingredients. Have you ever used oda seed to cook your banga stew? If your answer is no, try it out. You will love it. So I added my oda seed because I like the scent. You know, I like hot food. I like spicy food. So oda makes the banga stew to be hot and spicy. Now I'm adding my dry fish. So I added my dry fish this late because I don't want it to pieces inside the stew. Some people may prefer to add it earlier than this, but I choose to add it this late because I want it to remain in their shapes and sizes. You know what I mean? So I allow it to cook for some time. Add my seasoning cube while it's still boiling. Salt. Make sure you are adding the salt at the right quantity. Add them bit by bit. Taste to be sure not to over add. I add my scent leaf. Scent leaf is a major ingredient for this food because that's the taste. It brings out the taste of the original banga stew. So after adding the scent leaf, I turn them, allow them to cook for some minutes, and we will add our last ingredient, which is the pumpkin leaf, ogo leaf. We'll add it, and our food is done. So guys, I hope you will be trying out this recipe and tell me what you think about it in the comment section. I'll be reading and replying. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and turn on your notification button for my next update. See you guys. Let me go and enjoy my food. Bye bye.